Hi guys, I am Sunidhi and we are back with another vlog this week for students who are going to the UK for the upcoming intake. The UK government has further announced the following changes in the UK visa on October 5. This new student route replaces the tie of student visa. Here is everything you should know as an international student about the changes that have been announced by the UK government. Number 1. The assessment of the new applications will be based on the following criteria: remaining sponsorship at a licensed provider, education provider, that is university, demonstration of English language ability, the ability of students to financially support themselves in the UK. Number 2, there will be no limit on the number of students who can come to the UK under the new student visa route. Number 3. No officials can reject your visa if you have all the necessary documents in place. As of any rejection, they can only reject your application after the interview has been taken place. Number 4. Increased flexibility will allow international students to apply for the UK visa 6 months before traveling there, unlike before. Number 5. If you are potential international students, you will be needing a total of 70 points to get a UK student visa. Number 6. Those who are pursuing masters will be permitted to remain in the UK for another 2 years after the completion of their course, while PhD students can remain in the country for another 3 years. Number 7. Student will also be given the option to switch to work routes if they can find any suitable job in the UK. Number 8. Students who meet eligibility requirements will be able to make an in-country application for further leave regardless of anything sponsor or level of study. Number 9. Students who were issued an offer letter under the Tier 4 system and have made an application before October 5 will be considered under for existing rules of that route. Number 10. Students will be required to prove a certain level of English as they do under the current Tier 4 system. The level required will remain the same. Number 11. There is no need to resubmit proof of academic qualifications with their visa application. This is the best opportunity for students to gain international exposure, and it is also one of the best countries for higher studies. This new route is feasible and offers easy immigration for the Indian students and other international students during the current crisis. Don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and do not forget to comment below. Thank you.